how I was able to manifest my dream life and travel to over 54 countries all around the world. Yes, I traveled to over 54 countries. Now, I don't brag. I want to tell you about manifestation, and not law of attraction, the secret, but real manifestation, which is actually your mindset, which is very, very important, because everyone is asking me how to make money online. Yes, I can show you how to make it. And how much you make, it will depend on you and your mindset. You see, what I'm saying about mindset is not about woo-woo stuff. No, it's about understanding how mind works, because it's all about manifestation, right? Yes, you can make your, you can write down your goals, you can do personal development, personal self-help, and stuff like that. But until you realize that you deserve more in life, you will not be able to achieve more success, even if you try very hard. That's why lots of people are trying to work hard, and then they wonder, why the heck am I not getting any money? Why the heck I'm not getting results like other people are, right? Because other people can earn more money than me. They can travel to more countries than me. They can have more time with their family than me. I used to be there, and I know how it feels, because I had mindset issues, you know. I watched the movie The Secret. I know about law of attraction, but I did not understand that you have to become first in order to start earning, right? So you need to have someone who help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, because mindset is very important, you know. What I used to do is, before I go to sleep, I would tell myself affirmations, right? For example, like, every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. I would write it down. I would put it in the present tense. Right now, it's happening right now, right? Not something I wish or look for in the future, but right now, in this moment, I'm already making money. I'm already traveling all around the world. Even if it sounds crazy, you have to try this. There are also deeper psychology level, right? Like Psycho-Cybernetics book is very good. And there are also other different programs that can help me personally with manifestation. And you can ask me, I will send you some links so you can have a look on exactly what about law of attraction and manifestation really works, okay? And I would be listening to these audio tapes. I would be listening to the manifestation soundtracks, you know? Every day, instead of putting the music in the car, I would be listening to the manifestation stuff, which really work. You can go to my Instagram and check to how many crazy nice places I traveled to Dubai, Bali, Australia, Tokyo, all around Japan, Korea, Philippines, Switzerland, Finland, Sweden, right? All these places, Norway, all these beautiful places, because life is very short, you know. If you're not taking action, if you're not doing anything, if you're not getting out of your comfort zone, you will not be able to get any results. You will be always blaming other people and making excuses and procrastinate on why the heck I'm not getting any results. It happened to me until I took personal responsibility and stopped blaming other people for my failure. When you're blaming someone else, you're giving them power. You're saying that person did that, so I cannot have money, I cannot be rich, I cannot be wealthy, I cannot get results. You're giving that person a lot more psychological power over you, you know? So that's why you don't shift the blame on someone else. Don't blame other people for your failure, for why you're not successful, why you didn't get results. No, take personal responsibility. I know it maybe sounds harsh, but it's coming from my heart. I'm trying to give you the map, step by step, what to do and how to do it to get these crazy results, right? So if you really want to make money online, if you want to make, I don't know, $500, $1,000 a day or more, working 20 to 40 minutes a day or 1 hour a day, and having someone who can personally show you how things are done, then what you can do next after watching this video is you can, after subscribing, you can like this video and leave a comment, or you can follow me on my Instagram, text me there, Facebook, my personal WhatsApp number, and also my email. Everything is in the description below. So if you really want to get results and also work on your mindset, I will post a link for the mindset training that it really helps you. I mean, it's simple and easy, okay? Because you just put in your earpods or whatever you're using and listening to that 1 hour, 30 minutes per day. It will change your life, okay? For things to change, you gotta change. And for things to get better, you have to get better, okay? So let me know after watching this video if it makes sense.